give this quick room tour. So y'all can see, I don't got no roommate for once, god damn it. But if y'all like, if you come out here, this is what they expect, I guess. You get a wall locker. You get these two drawers. This drawers is locked, or the drawers is locked right now. I don't feel like unlocking those. And then this is my side. As y'all can see, you gotta have your weapon on you at all times. Alright, a mag in it. And then I got my game box, my TV, my do-rags and all that nonsense. Let me hide these, I gotta do laundry later. There's my bed. I gotta make my bed. Then you got this window, you can open it. And you got an air conditioner that works. I always gotta keep that flag on me. And then it's my uniform. I'm about to do laundry later. And this is my body armor. Hey, 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 hey. And that's about it. No. Here's my wall locker. Got some pictures and stuff. That's where my snacks and stuff will be at. I gotta do laundry. That's where all my stuff is. That's where my clothes are in there right now, and this is all my uniforms. My combat shirts, pants, and I got my rucksack and my assault bag back there. I'm watching football right now. Oof, but it froze. And then I got my ACH and all that nonsense up there. Also, the room does come with a light, but I don't use it.